Okay, and welcome back for the last video for this lesson. We're in Module 2 or Topic 3, Lesson 2. We're on Talk the Talk, which is on page 328. Okay, so we're shopping for cereal. Tim and Dan love cereal but don't want to spend a lot of money. After scanning the aisle in the grocery store for the lowest prices, the boys make the following statements. Tim says, I found Sweetie Oat Puffs for 14 cents per ounce. That's the cheapest cereal in the aisle. Dan replies, it's not cheaper than Sugar Hoops. The unit price for that is 6.25 or 6¼ ounces per dollar. Who's correct? So right now it doesn't look like they are comparing in the same unit. He gave us a price per 1 ounce and he gave us an ounce per $1. So this one is a per 1 ounce. This is a per $1. So we need to get them in the same units. So I'm going to show it two different ways here. So good old Timothy, he got the Sweetie Oat Puffs. And his cost, so we're going to do cost per ounce. His cost was 14 cents per 1 ounce. Okay, so that says, well, let's actually, what if we looked at Dan's? Dan's was Sugar Hoops. And Dan's was $1 per 6.25 ounces. So what if his box was 6.25 ounces? How much would he pay? So if we scaled up to 6.25 ounces, what would he pay? So multiplying by 6.25, so we have 14 ounces, so 0.14 times 6.25. So 0.875 so that's dollars per 6.25 ounces. So they would probably round that up to like 88 cents for the 6.25 ounces. Dan's is $1, so right now it looks like this one is the better buy. Remember, you want to spend less money for the same amount. Now, what if we had, right, because Tim would pay 88 cents for 6.25 ounces, while Dan pays, he would pay $1 for 6.25 ounces. Okay, so let's do it the other way. So let's keep Tim's here. So Tim has 0.14 for 1 ounce. Well, what is Dan's per ounce? So he has $1 for every 6.25 ounces. Well, if I want to get that down to per 1 ounce, I'm just going to divide this to get the unit right, so it's 1 divided by 6.25. If you think about it as scaling down, I am dividing by 6.25. 1 divided by 6.25. So I have 1 divided by 6.25. So his is 16 cents per ounce. So it's still Tim's. He pays, I'm going to write it this way this time, just so you know that we can do it both ways. 14 with a cent sign per ounce. Dan pays 16 cents per ounce. Okay, and ask questions if you need.